back to the channel, Boglehead Day Traders. Here we go. It is Friday the 11th. Huge day yesterday I'll tell you about in a minute. Good day today, but that's not the purpose of the video. The purpose of the video is, alright, so we're going to try and make some money as a conservative Boglehead trader. What stocks are we going to be trading? Well, what about these? Take a look at this. Up here we got Google, Microsoft, Apple, Tesla, American Express, Amazon, Netflix, Nvidia, and Disney on occasion. Now I put Disney on occasion because I love it when Disney misses earnings, because there's almost always a complete overreaction and the entire world dumps their Disney stock to an extreme. And I am waiting at the bottom of the well because I generally buy it and then write it up $4 or $5 when people get hold of themselves later on, an hour and a half from then, after earnings come out and they have a huge miss. It's a nice little dip technique where there's a complete overreaction on earnings. And we'll show you that to some extent later, but I think I made $1,200 on Disney the other day because people completely overreacted. And if I end up treading water on Disney, I don't care, because Disney's great. They're going to make tons of money. Their balance sheet's incredible. Yeah, they might have lost a few dollars. Their earnings weren't quite where they needed to be. And but that's something that would come back. Now, luckily, that didn't have to happen. I dumped it. I speed dated Disney for about an hour and dumped it and made $1,200. These stocks are the ones we trade. Now, a little bit about Rhonda and I as Bogleheads. The bulk of our money is in VYM, SCHD, and HDB. These are three ETFs. They're all dividend-paying ETFs, and they are all dividend-paying ETFs that charge practically nothing in fees, which is the Boglehead side of our retirement funds are in here. We trade these, we day trade these in very conservative Boglehead day trader fashion, because we can add to this snowball, and that thing just rolls to where that's going to fuel our retirement for the rest of our days, and we feel real good about it. But we also enjoy trading. So having said that, let me show you Microsoft here. I mean, we buy good stocks in case we get stuck with them. You don't feel too bad. There's a lot of day trading systems out there that have you running scanners, looking at stocks and momentum trades of things you probably never heard of. Now, I don't know why you'd want to buy $10,000 of a $3 stock you've never heard of, you know, in the hopes it goes to $3.20 when it might go to $1.50. Do the math on that and see if you can keep your hair from going completely white. I don't think you probably can. So this is way easier. This is way, I mean, if you want to trade in the market and not lose money, buy stocks that over time at least aren't going to lose money. And buy stocks that are a tremendous value right now. These things are on sale. So when inflation turns around and when the Fed stops raising rates so much or maybe takes a pause and not at all, those stocks up there are going to go right through the ceiling. So I'd rather be stuck holding those than other scanner-driven stocks that just scare the heck out of you. So that's the conservative lesson for today. Great couple days in the market. I think for the week we were up, I want to say like 16 grand. So it was a great week. So, 16 grand a week times 52, I wish I could do that every single week. We definitely do not. But it's nice to know that you were there, you were in place and took advantage of things that you should have taken advantage of. And we just don't sit down to trade for trading's sake. Okay? We only trade the purple cows. If there was a whole field of milk cows, and one of them was purple, well, you'd sure be able to pick that out pretty quick. Which means we only trade those trades. Which means if we'd like to trade Tesla today and we want to see it drop, well, we don't want to see it drop to the first indice that's under. We want to see it drop to a purple cow level where it's, oh my gosh, why is it there? As we check the news and we look both ways before we step out into the street. So that is the feeling, and that's what I'm going to leave the video for today. Hope you enjoyed it. Stop trading like a knucklehead. Start trading like a boglehead. Let's go, gang. Let's get the education. We're going to start trading on December 1st, where I'm going to show you a live. We're not going to go live because I don't want you mirror trading me, because you don't learn nothing doing that. Okay? I'm going to go live and I'm going to show you my live trades so that you, after you see a dozen, 20, 30 of those trades, you're going to start to get it. Okay? So get your account open with TD Ameritrade. Get a few bucks in there. Let's get ready to go. Watch all the videos. Watch them again. And hit the bell notification. Make sure you subscribe so that you'll be ready to go and watch and learn. And let's go have fun doing it. We'll see you in the next one.